The question is, the figure shows a parallelogram ABCD where angle BAD is equal to 65 degrees and the point E lies on DC, the line DC, such that the angle BED is 125 degrees. So what we need to find is angle ADE. So if we can separate this from the rest of the figure, angle ADE, if you could point out where this angle lies, ADE, ADE. So here is this angle. We are studying this figure which is a parallelogram. So you must know the properties of the parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. So if this side DEC, this line DEC, it is a straight line and it is parallel to the side AB, and here angle is 65 degrees. So now we can easily identify that this angle ADE which we need to find and this angle 65, both of these are interior angles because they are lying on the same side of the transversal and they are interior angles. So angle ADE plus 65 is equal to 180 degrees because of interior angles are supplementary. Sum of interior angles is 180 degrees. Interior angles are supplementary. So angle ADE would be equal to 180 minus 65 degrees. The answer would be 115 degrees. This is how you can solve the part 1 to find angle ADE. Now we need to find angle CBE. So if we look at the figure, we need to find the angle CBE. Again, we can separate this from the rest of the figure to understand it. So here the angle lies CBE. Here this angle is angle CBE. We need to find this angle. Okay. So in a parallelogram, opposite interior angles are equal. So this angle 65 degrees which is at the vertex A and this angle at the vertex C, both of these angles are equal because opposite interior angles in a parallelogram are equal. Opposite interior angles in a parallelogram are equal. So you need to memorize these properties, that in a parallelogram opposite interior angles are equal, opposite sides of the parallelogram are parallel to each other and they are equal to each other. So here this angle C would be 65 and we know that this point E lies on the straight line such that this angle 125 and this angle BEC, the angle BEC, we can see that this angle BEC is equal to 180 minus 125 degrees because sum of angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. Sum of angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. That is why BEC is equal to 180 minus 125. So we can have that BEC angle is equal to 55 degrees. Now this angle is 55 degrees. Now we can easily find this angle here by using sum of angles in the triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So angle CBE, so we are doing this in triangle BCE. In the triangle BCE, the angle CBE, which we need to find, plus 55 degrees plus 65 degrees, all of them add up to make 180 degrees. So angle CBE plus 55 plus 165 would be 130 degrees. So angle CBE would be equal to 180 minus, sorry, this 55 plus 65 is 120 minus 120 on the other side, so angle CBE would be 60 degrees. Another approach to this solution could be that we need to find this angle CBE, and we have this angle 65. We do not need to find this angle here 55. We can use the property of exterior angles. If we look at this figure, this triangle, we need to find the angle here CBE, this angle. So this angle 125 is exterior angle of the triangle, and we have angle 65 at the vertex C. So we can easily use the approach of finding this interior angle CBE plus 65. These are the interior angles which are opposite to the exterior angle 125. So we can use this property as well, that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles.